Joe Beermaster. Today here we have a 2012 Nissan Maxima. This goes for multiple years. Show you how to get this tail light out to change the bulb or to replace the assembly, whatever. First thing you do is remove the trim panels. We already got it out. There's little clips that hold it in. So we're not going to show that, but if you look in here, once you access it, there are two, see that right there? There are two 8mm bolts that stick through there with an 8mm nut. You have to pull that out. You pull that out, take the other one off. That just holds the wire. Then there's an 8mm right there. And we're going to take that off. Don't lose them because they're not usual screws, nuts I mean. So make sure you don't lose them. Make sure you don't lose them. Alright, so now what holds it in is those two studs or two nuts, and then there's usually a slide clip here. So what we do is first you try to wiggle it. First thing, it's good to try to wiggle it out. What I like to do is sort of hit it this way. Now this car was in a collision, so it's not going to come off as easy, but they're difficult even if they're not in a collision. Just kind of hit it. You don't want to break it. You want to kind of glance off of it. Just keep working it out. These are really tight because it was in a collision, like I said. It should be a little easier. You don't want to break anything. See that? And there is the slide. And there is the pin. Like I said, it's very difficult on these. But there's also a...